Hello guys, I'm glad to see you in my YouTube channel. My name is Paul and here we try different strategies for trading binary options, and also I explain how to open positions and how to end up in profits. Today's trading is not gonna be an exception. I will prepare with the following indicators. Let me show you. The first one is the fractal and the second one is the stochastic oscillator. Before we get started, I want to change the settings on the stochastic, so we set overbought zone to 70 and oversold 30. So how we're going to act? We're going to open positions with the trend, play out the pullbacks and corrections from the strong zones. I mean the support and resistance zones, and we also pay attention to the crossings of the moving averages on the stochastic. As simple as that. Well, I'm going to demonstrate all that in practice. Okay, let's put down the maximum trade amount and let's get started and analyze the market. We need the currency pair to have the high spike rate, and well, we see a flat on the chart. The local low was updated, and so the accumulation zone has been formed here. At the same time, we see the crossing on the stochastic, and it's time to open a short position, guys. It's logical, so let me explain. If you look at the chart, we see that the sideways trend is dominating here. The price entered this accumulation zone and the price updated its local high at this point. Previously the price updated the local low here, and now the price should go down after staying at the accumulation zone. We see the crossing of the moving averages on the stochastic, and it's far beyond the overbought zone, so the rebound is inevitable. And here we go, the price is going down exactly as we expected. There are 5 seconds left before the expiration of this candle, and we need the candle to expire as slower as possible, and let's wait. And all the position has been closed in profits. I got almost $500 on the balance, and let's continue trading session. Let's remove this as currency pair, guys, and continue making money. Well, what do we got here? Okay, it's looks promising, and the only option here is to open a long position, guys. It's simple. We can observe this sideways trend on the chart. I want to point out this support zone. Actually, it's a little bit lower, and price should bounce from it and finally go up. Also take a look at the stochastic. The moving averages cross it, which means the upward dynamics is going to take place. Yep. They're around 10 seconds left before the closing, and I'm sure that the price will break out probably at the last moment. And there we go, exactly as we predicted. Out the last seconds before the closing, the price broke out. Let's update the trade amount. We're going to continue the trading session. Actually, now is not the best time for trading. I see a lot of sideways movements on the charts. So I think it makes sense to open a long position here. It's pretty simple. Let me show you one more time. There was a strong downward dynamics here, then the price updated its local low. After that the local high was updated. I think the local low was updated at this level, and the price is gonna go to the upside because the price hasn't touched the overbought zone yet. And yep, does look this huge pump, this incredible. However, it was quite predictable, and let's wait for the outcome. Low volatility is good for us. There are 2 seconds left before the closing, and there we go, another one is profits. Good job. We got $1,300 on the balance, and let's continue the trading session. Well, let's continue analyzing. We're interested in the reliable trading signals. There's no point taking unnecessary risks, and I guess the price pullback should eventually happen here. We count on that. The price updated its local high at this level, after which the downward dynamics followed it up, and I think the local low was updated here. In addition, I want to point out this support zone right at the level of our position entry. The touch has happened, and the price is gonna bounce off its logical. Also, we see the crossing of the oversold zone on the stochastic, so the reversal is inevitable. And now let's simply watch the price movement, guys. I think the price will eventually break out. Let's see. Intense moment, guys, but I think on the last seconds we're gonna see the breakout. And there we go, we're in the profits. Let's work really close. Anyway, I think this candle is gonna start the price pullback. Let's keep going, and they're not stopping here. So look at this strong support zone at the bottom. The touch of the oversold zone is happening on the other side. And let's open a long position. A little pullback is very likely to happen here, and here's the inception of the new candle. So where it's gonna go after this strong dump, after these red candles, I think a small price pullback should take place. We have a lot of signals for that, and like the crossing of the board zone, the stochastic, and let's watch, guys. And I think on the last second something will happen, and yep, here it comes, a beautiful pump, exactly as we predicted. And our position is in profits, played out the price rebound perfectly. There's no stopping here. We're gonna continue the trading session. So what do we got here? The downward dynamics dominates here. Recently the price updated the local high, and at the same time we see the crossing of the moving averages on the stochastic. And I think let's open 3 long positions here. It won't be a mistake, that's for sure. And again we count on the price pullback because we have this upper zone right at the level of the trade entry, so the crossing of the moving averages on the stochastic should be supported with a good price rebound. And just have a look at this massive pump, guys, perfectly calculated. There around 30 seconds before the closing, and let's simply enjoy the beauty of trading. We see the inception of the new candle. It's going down, but no worries, we have a good trade entry level. Yep, I thought the price dropped at the end, we ended up into profits, and they're almost $6,000 on the balance. And I think we opened the final positions and then we fix the profit. Remove this currency pair and let's watch. The moving averages are at the bottom, the crossing is about to happen, and at the same time we see this upper zone here. That's why we open our long positions, guys. And here's the green candle. I think the price just updated its local low, and now is the time for a pullback. Let's wait for the outcome. Yep. This pump looks amazing, exactly as we predicted. All the positions ended up in profits. Yep. And we got almost $10,000. Yep, $10,000 on the balance, and I guess it's enough for today because the market is kind of unpredictable now because it's almost a night. And let's move on to withdrawal. I hope everything was clear. This strategy is not that complicated. We simply watch the crossing of the moving averages on the stochastic, and we also watch the touches of the strong zones. I mean the oversold and overbought zones, and try to play out the price pull back and corrections. That it, guys. Now I think let's move to on the withdrawal. Press the ticket in bottom, and there we go. The withdrawal request has been sent. I'll take the screen, we're just down, and that's end for today. Hope you enjoy my trading. Good luck, guys, with trade with me. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for trading with me. Hug you guys, and bye bye.